This Rode mic is becoming a big pain in the ass. I don't think I'm gonna wear tanks anymore because I had a lav mic on and the metal corner of the lav mic was stabbing into my chest and it kind of hurt. So then I moved it to just this unit, and then now it's just a little floppy and loosey. Maybe right there. We'll try right there. There we go. Now we're all set. All right, guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is gonna be a special project day. So this is my film handler, and as you can see, I like to keep my shed organized, right? I have my bench is here, a ladder, a 2-footer, a 4-footer with a little plank thing, whatever. And then I just have the film handler right here. So what I'm gonna do is this plank right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up on the wall right here. And then that way I can go ahead and add the film handler to the wall instead of having it leaned up there, because that is a $750, $800 unit, and I don't like it just kind of laying on the ground or whatever. So I got these L brackets right here and some wall anchors. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna post this up against the wall, with that plank. And then I got to drill a hole in the plank, obviously, so I can put the film handler through there. But then that way there's a place for the film handler. And if I need to, I can take the film handler off the plank, off the wall, and then be able to go ahead and load it into my van for any flat glass work. So that is the goal. That's what we're gonna be doing today. I gotta double check. I don't know how much longer this plank is than this film handler. So I don't know if I really wanna just cut it in portions or not. But this is where it's gonna be right here. And also, what I plan on doing is I plan on having the film handler up here, and all these boxes of film right here, I wanna put a track system right underneath the film handler, so I have all the film underneath and then the film handler on top. So that's the plan for today's video. So I guess first thing we gotta do is kind of check the size of the plank and check the film handler and see where we got from there. That's almost perfect. I thought I was gonna have to move the solar effects banner because I thought this plank was a little too long, but actually the plank, I mean, I could butt it up right against the wall, but the plank looks pretty much perfect. Look how within a few inches. So I think I'm gonna save my time and not cut one of these ends off the sides and just leave it like this. All right. Let's see what we're at. We're at 96, 8 feet. Let's call it 96. I'm using my big tripod as a selfie stick. Okay, so I think we're good. I'm gonna go. This is 8 feet, and this is a 7-foot. This is a 7-foot film handler. So loud. So it's a 7-foot film handler, so I'm gonna have about 6 inches on each end, which is fine with me because then I don't have to cut down. I don't have to cut this wood down any bit. So right now, I know I'm gonna go a foot from the end of the planks and then 2 feet in. So that should give me enough room to spread the L brackets far enough away that the weight is basically individually or evenly distributed. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start placing the L brackets up there and leveling them out, and then that way we can get ready for this. I don't know if y'all noticed anything.
Got these up. and this one is short. It's not short, but there's a long side and then a short side.
I didn't realize that. So
I think this is too long
for the board,
most definitely. So I gotta take that off
and
redo it so that this long side's down
here. Quick fix, but I just realized that now. So double check that if you're doing this. We got all 4 of these up right now. So they look really good. And let's just kind of test fit this board here. I think this way is the way we want to go. Yeah, that's the next step right there. That looks pretty good. If we put a
thing on it.
Level. So that looks pretty good. I think that's what we're gonna go for right there. Next steps, we'll go ahead and screw screws into the wood here to support the beam to the L brackets. Surprised these fit as good as it does, because when I went to get these L brackets, I did not have the board with me, so I didn't know how thick it was, nor did I know how long or deep it was. So it's actually pretty perfect, and I think I got pretty lucky, actually. Even the screws are just barely short enough to not go through, so I got really lucky. Make sure you put that into consideration when you're buying the shit. So what I need to do now is I'm gonna put the film handler up on the ledge right here without the screws, so I can center it and then mark the hole, so I can drill a hole, the pilot hole for the screw. And I hope you guys can hear me, because this fucking mic pack keeps rotating. So there is a ledge underneath here, and I'll show you exactly what it is in a second, but if I let it go, it'll go like that. So this is what you put in front when you put it on the ladder to line up the front edge. And then, so it is gonna be overhanging slightly, but that's what the screw is for. So on my 2-footer right here, I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna mark where that hole should be. So now I marked where the hole is because I took the screw out of there. So now I'll just drill straight through here and straight through the board, and we should be good to go. I literally don't have a lot of tools, and like one of the tools I do have is a bit that I'm pretty sure is damn near perfect for what I need to get done right now. I just want to go nice and slow because I can't drill a pilot hole, so I don't want to split this wood. So this bolt and this wing nut does not come with the film handler when it gets delivered. This is something you have to bring. I actually brought that entire thing in a giant cart into Home Depot, so that I got the proper bolt that was properly threaded, but big enough as well. So these do come separately. You do have to get these, but just to let you know. All right. Looks like we're centered up. Oh, you know what I should check? I should check the hole size with the bolt to make sure that the hole is big enough. Oh my God, just big enough. I'm telling you, this whole project is coming out perfectly, considering like, I didn't plan for any of this. We did it. There is some room back here, but all in all, we did good. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the ledge I'm talking about. It like comes over, so there is an overhang. Like here's the lip. There's a little bit of an overhang. So that's the ledge I'm talking about. So it is hanging over just a little bit. But this is so secure, that's not coming off. Let me see here, hold on. I'll show you up top. And this is what I'm talking about here. There's the carriage bolt. It'll go straight through. Now realistically, this is 6 inches or something like that, so this plank could probably be a little bit closer to the wall. So you could probably get away with maybe a 6-inch one instead of a 12-inch one. I'll double check here, but probably a 6-inch one would probably be pretty good as well. And then there's the carriage bolt that goes through, and it's secured underneath there. But yeah, and then this here, like I guess we could do it like that, right? I don't know where we'd hang that because there's like bolts. So does that go somewhere? I'm assuming hanging right there. You just do that, and then that way you can measure. There's probably a better way to hang this. I don't know where this would go because there's like rivets right there. Maybe I could just slam it home and hit it right in there, but then it's going to be in the way of the film. But we'll figure something out. Figure something out. But yeah, there it is. We got the film handler set up on its place, but then again, I can take this off when I get a mobile job for mobile flat glass and then go from there. But then now it's up and it's out of the way. I can use it during auto. So the next part is going to take all this film right here and put speed tracks right here so that I can put the film on shelving right there.
Boom.
Look, I can bring film way down here. I can use this. I can use this to pre-cut films if I have flat glass jobs. I could just pre-cut all the film right here as long as I have all the measurements, and then that way I don't have to do it at the job. So, and then when I do automotive stuff, look, this is so much. This is so good for just like handling and not wasting for film management, really. Opa, it's a little windy. So yeah, opa. Find me. There we go. All right, so guys, that's it. That's pretty much it. I have the film handler up, and now I have the film handler off the ground and not like hanging out like kind of by everything else, and everything's a little bit more organized now. It feels like this place is getting really full because it's just a small space. But I'm working with what I got. Again, next step is that we're gonna put trackers right here, like a racetrack, a speed track system right there. So it's basically we can attach shelving, and then that way I can put the film up there, get it off the floor, and it's just gonna be that much more organized in here. So thank you very much for joining us, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you hit a thumbs up on the video. And if you have a film handler, let me know in the comments below, like what are some of the mounting solutions that you guys have for your film handler. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see y'all on the next one.